can we talk about Silent Hill? Can we talk about Silent Hill? I've been dying to talk about Silent Hill. I've been dying. Okay. Alright. So, alright. So we are going to, Hospital World! Yeah! Hospital World! Okay. So we saw a little bit of Hospital World, last time. I had, briefly watched the beginning cutscene of Hospital World. So, yeah. We are going back to Hospital World to do this. Okay. Oh. It looks like there's another handprint there, but it's kind of like washed out. That's weird. I wonder what that could mean. I wonder if Robbie Rabbit's still pointing at me.
So they took the victim to St.
Ah!
Jerome's, huh?
Yeah, she's not gonna make it. She had numbers in her back, too. Walter Sullivan copycat. Round 3, huh?
Well, they never got the scumbag behind round 2 a few years back.
Round
Maybe
3?
it's the same guy.
Oh, what if 1, 2, and 3? Oh, what if they're all the same guy?
Oh.
What the hell are you talking about? You know Sullivan killed himself. The weird thing is, there were no clues. Crime scenes were always spotless. No fingerprints, no fibers, nothing. Just the numbers. 20121. I've been a cop for a long time, but I never seen a case like this one. It's almost like they were killed by a ghost or something.
A ghost. Wow. Alright. Like they were killed by a ghost. So round 3, that's kind of weird. I thought we were in round 2. Don't take my word on that. My reading comprehension for this game is out the window. I'm just taking things as they come. Oh, the hole's not in there anymore. It's in my laundry room now. I wonder if she's okay. Dude, she's dead. I don't think she's okay. Alright, let me just... Henry, wake up. You fucked up. This is so... oh, boy. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. I forgot that's what he was doing. Hi, Walter. Hi. Hi. Oh, frick. I don't know how to move. I'm gonna go back in there. Walter! Oh, shit. This thing. Oh, yeah, it burps when I hit her. Okay. Alright. Sorry, miss. It's like a bloody operating table. The guy. What in God's name was he doing here? Yeah. Whoa. Some kind of strange human-shaped object. Is that a... why are all that stuff pink? Are those just missing textures? What? Why is it pink? Does that have... is that... I'm gonna ignore it. I'm not immersed enough to do... oh my God, she's moving! Oh, good. Great. Oh god, there's so many of them. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, line up, bitch. I was just playing Fantasy Life and I don't know the controls anymore. When do I start my new life? I want to be a farmer. Step on it. Do you guys hear me mashing my keyboard? I am trying so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry. My throat's making the same noises as those nurses. Alright, where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? Hey, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? A purse? Oh no, is one of our next victims a lady? I don't like it when girls are killed. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. It must be Eileen's. No, take it, you jerk. You can keep stuff in there. That's my purse! I don't know you! Where's the nurse's memo? I'm missing it. They said in the reception across the hall. Ooh, what's this? Yes! Thanks! I wonder if Eileen is in this room. You're thinking awful lot about Eileen. Okay. Can we take a moment for just a second? Okay. I have, to the audience at home, I have something to confess. I was making a shit post and I really needed a picture of Water Prison World. I went on Google and I typed in Water Prison World and I did see a spoiler. I think. I don't know if it was a spoiler or a mod. I don't know if there were mods in this game, but I saw a spoiler that leads me to believe that that makes me believe that I don't think Eileen is dead. That is yet to be determined. I don't know if what I saw was real or not, but you know what? We'll see. Yeah. So, I guess we'll see, you know? It's kind of interesting that Henry is thinking so much about Eileen. I mean, this was the first victim that he, like, knew personally, kind of. I mean, kind of like voyeurism, her isn't a great thing to do, but, you know, morally gray characters, am I right? But it's like Eileen was the only one that he, like, knew in a way. Like, he had just met Jasper and Andrew, or who I call Alfred. He had just met those people during his time in the weird whole world. So Eileen was somewhat personal to him. You know? Who are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, there it is. There we go. It's a nurse's memo. Great, I found it. I lost Eileen Galvin's hospital room key. She was a patient brought in with severe injuries. Wonder if I left it in one of the other hospital rooms. I really hope not. Ah. Well, that sucks that you lost it, dude. Eileen Galvin. What the fuck? Eileen. Stretchy? Eileen. Chat, are you seeing this? A lot of photos pinned up on the board. Could these be Eileen's pictures? Chat, are you seeing this? This is so freaking weird. Did you drop the photo? Did you just take it and drop it? Is that it on the ground? Alright. Well, whoever made this world is really obsessed with Eileen. This is really cool. I've been... Oh! This is really exciting. I've actually been thinking a lot about Silent Hill and playing it, so I'm really excited to see where the story goes. I hope I like the ending. Apparently there's multiple endings, but I hope I get the one that I like, which I don't really know which one I would like. I don't know, like, what I would want right now. I think I'd want Henry. I'd want Henry to recover from whatever he's going through right now. And I want Eileen to not be dead. And I want Walter to rest in peace. And I want Henry to go to happy, fun, happy, no pain world. Which I don't think would be possible for him. What kind of ending would I be disappointed in? I guess I would kind of be disappointed in a ending that had that didn't kind of wrap everything up. I feel like that would be upsetting to me. You know, I still have a lot of questions. I still have a lot of theories as to everything. I know at the ending of Silent Hill 2 that I watched, it kind of did wrap a lot of things up for me. I don't know if it answered all of my questions, but answered the big ones, I guess. So I'm kind of hoping that something similar happens in this ending that I get. Wash your hands. Oh no, a phone. It's a baby's medical chart. What's it say? What's it say? Oh. Well, I guess he didn't decide that he wanted to... What the fuck? I thought I heard something. Must just be the wind. Okay, that sound that I just heard definitely came from outside of my room. Hi! Hi! No, my favorite part about this is that there's no impact sound. They just burp. That's it. Oh, there's people here. Oh yes, this in the guide says it's a super rare health item. Cool. All right, I'm gonna go. I don't think there's anything. I'm gonna go before these girls wake up. Okay. It's an elevator, but the door or button is broken. It's not responding. Okay, I think I need to go in here then. Staircase. Okay. Alright. So I need to go upstairs. Okay. What the fuck? Oh. Oh. I don't want to touch one of them. Ow! Damn it! Okay, it says go down one wall of doors on the other side. Can I fight you? Ah! Goodness! Ah! Okay, alright. Go down one wall of doors. It's locked. Okay. Apparently... Oh, the... Wah! Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Leave. Okay. Go down one wall of doors. Apparently all these rooms are random. But I have to be ready to wail on things if I need to. Oh man. It stinks like hell. What the hell is this? Yeah, you're in a hospital. Of course it smells. You're in a horror hospital, dude. Oh my god. Ooh, this isn't great. Ew! What's behind this cloth? Gee, I wonder. Grippy sock jail. Alright. Oh! Hello, sir. It's a man's dead body. Sure is. Oh. Oh, there's someone here. Hello? Oh. No, I will not take the revolver bullets. I do not have a revolver. I did not take the revolver. Oh. What's this covered in? Oh, it makes me slow. Doop. Gross. What the fuck? Grab it. It's a key. Take the hospital room key. Wah! How do I get out of here? It's locked! Wait, what? Get out of here! Henry, do something! It's locked! Of course it is! Can I use the key to get out of here? I thought I'd have to start over. Wait, did that get rid of it? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, did that get rid of my key? Oh no, it didn't. Okay, good. I wonder what the hospital represents. Oh, this isn't good. I can see legs coming from the bottom of the cloth. Okay. This should be an art exhibit, dude. This would be so freaking cool. Alright, I'm coming for you. Oh. Ooh, a medallion. Oh, I can't hold any more things. Well. Golf club. Oh, I can see someone on the other side of the wire net, but they're not moving. Is it a dead body? Yeah, probably. You know? Ew. Oh, an umbilical cord. Oh, I wonder what it means. Woo! Symbolism! I love symbolism. It's so freaking cool. Oh, excuse me, ladies. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. What the fuck? What was that noise? Oh. My god, is this human skin? Excuse me, I'm gonna go. Oh, what is this? Yeah, take a nutrition drink. Why not? Man, I am hoarding these things. Oh, why is there more of them? Well, I must be getting close to whatever it is. Dried up flowers. Okay. What are you looking at? Ugh. What is that? Oh yeah, it's another nutrition drink. Oh. Oh, hello. Hi. Okay. Goodbye. Ah. Ah. Move. Excuse me. It's a sterile room. I would say so. Ugh. Alright. Oh. Oh, I can't hold it anymore. There's some meat attached to it. Meat? Ugh. Oh no! Oh! Oh boy. Are these Eileen's x-rays? I don't know, you seem pretty keen. I think this was the locked door. Oh my god, Eileen! Hi! Aww. She does not look great.
Eileen! Eileen!
Yeah, grab onto her really quick! Oh. It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you.
From next door. What are you doing here?
I don't know where to start.
I don't know, dude.
There was this strange hole in my room. I saw people getting killed. All these weird other worlds. And I saw you get attacked too.
What are you talking about? I'm supposed to believe that?
Aww.
But it's true. And there was a kid with you.
Oh. I remember now. I was getting ready to go to my friend's party. The boy protected me from the man with the coat.
Hmm.
I'm sorry I didn't believe you.
Well, I mean, who would,
There's
you know?
nothing wrong with me.
Aw,
I just feel so scared.
it's okay.
Place. Where is it anyway?
I don't know either. But I do know that if you get killed here, then you die in the real world too. Anyway, the only way out of here is through that hole.
Okay. Okay, take me with you.
Aw. It's okay, I got you. Oh, I have to escort her now? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Alright, so I'm reading the guide that my partner lovingly put together with the help of a few other things. And, gameplay mechanic wise, I do have to, you do have to protect her. Wait, you can... Wait, what? In the guide it says you can give her weapons? She can fight? Oh my god, that's so freaking cool. Let's go! Henry and Eileen adventure! Ow! Excuse me. Excuse me, ladies. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Come on, come on. It's okay, Eileen, it's okay. I got you. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come here, you. Don't you touch her. She's my friend. And I like her. Come here. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. I think this is the whole room. This is not the whole room. I think this other one is the whole room. Wait, which one was the whole room? This one. Okay, come on, Eileen. Let's jump through the hole together. I know, it's kind of weird. It's okay. Come on. Let me take a sip, though. No! No, she's not gone. She's just somewhere else. Maybe she's under the bed. Can you check under the bed? Can you check in the closet? Henry, you fucked up. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, did I do something wrong? Eileen? Eileen? Ah! Eileen, honey? Can I save first? There's gonna be something over there. The air in this room feels heavy. Damn it! What the fuck is that? This room, it's so oppressive. Let me save, let me save, let me save! Whew, okay, alright. Where is Eileen? No, I want her to come back. I want her to be safe. Oh, a letter? Oh my god, you guys, it's the Smash invitation. You've seen that world as well, that horrible nightmare. But if you get sucked into it, it's not just a nightmare. Don't get lost in there. If you get pulled in, you'll be killed. There's still hope. Maybe this small key will guide you. You've seen the door with the placard set in it. Look at the other side of the door. Then keep going down to the deepest part of him and look for the ultimate truth. July 20th. Joseph. Huh? Oh god, there's gonna be something behind me. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Where are all these little notes? Scraps from a diary. Walter Sullivan did kill himself. He died in the prison cell of blood loss after he stabbed himself in the neck with a spoon. Oh. His body was buried in cemetery just outside his hometown of Silent Hill, in an unmarked grave. After that, his name became famous all over the world. It's like a string of mass murders was finished at 10 out of 21. But 3 years later, they found a corpse that said 1221 carved into it. Oh, the corpse was from 6 months earlier. In other words, the person that was killed 2.5 years after Sullivan committed suicide. The MO was exactly the same, Sullivan, except for one thing. All 10 of Sullivan's victims were found with their hearts cut out and their chest wounds sewn together expertly with thread. On the other hand, the 1221 victims still had their heart. Naturally, the police think it's a copycat and are proceeding on that basis, but they haven't made any progress and recently discovered victim number 13. The corpse also had their heart intact. Police still haven't identified a suspect. Got a few working hypotheses. Very few people knew the details of the original crimes and would be able to copy Sullivan's MO so precisely. First, I'll head to Silent Hill to the graveyard near the beautiful little lake. Maybe I can find an answer there. June 11th. Okay. Oh, there's more things. If the house around me can stop making freaking noise, that would be great. The weather that day was very strange. Even though I avoided it earlier, there was still a thick fog clinging to everything. Fortunately, that allowed me to avoid being seen and get right to work. The police are still stubbornly acting as if it's just a copycat case, so I figured things probably hadn't been touched here. But I was wrong. Should have come sooner. The cemetery was in such bad condition that it was almost sad. The storm must have raised the sea level. Anyway, that's how it was when I found Walter Sullivan's grave. This diary is pretty damaged around the point, and I can't read much here. I'm still in shock. There was no body in the grave. And on top of that, written on the coffin were the numbers 1121. Oh. June 14th. Okay. How long has it been since I left this room? I can't tell if it's been days or hours. During that time, they found the body of 1421. I've been having hallucinations lately, and I think I'm losing my mind. No date written. I'm about to take my headphones off. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. Okay, so really cool. Like I explained before with the guide, I am skipping some parts of the guide that are blocked out because I do want to do a good enough blind playthrough of this. I know that it's not completely 100% blind just because I have been following the guide. But things that explain the endings, I'm not following those except for the doll because that would have made things harder. I already explained that. But anyway, so this thing is supposed to start called Hauntings. Don't quite know what that's about. So yeah, I guess I'll just keep going. It's telling me to go to read the notes, which I did. And now it's telling me to go back to the world. Eileen!
Henry.
You didn't come back with me.
Have you been here the whole time?
Yeah? And I didn't see any hole either. You just disappeared all of a sudden.
Aww.
I can't stay here by myself. I'll be cursed. You know it. What am I gonna do?
I might know a way to save you. Do you know about someone named Joseph?
Yeah. He was the guy who lived in your apartment before you. I think he was a journalist or something. He disappeared about 6 months before you moved in. But toward the end, he started acting really weird.
Yeah. He was doing an investigation about a religious cult and a man named Walter Sullivan. I got this letter from him. He told me to go down into the deepest part of him, and to look for the ultimate truth.
The ultimate truth?
Let's do that. There must be something down there.
We're gonna go in Walter?
Okay. I'll do it. You're the
Gonna
only
go
job
in-
I've got.
Okay, I think they
I'll
mean
stick with you.
metaphorically. Okay. Alright, let's go, girly. Oh, this thing. Come here, you. Alright. I think that was what I was supposed to do. But I am not sure. Oh. Gross. Come at me, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, so the guide says to knock them down the stairs. Come on. Come on. That's what you freaking get. What's this say? Ever downward. What the hell? Certified what the hell moment. Oh. Eileen, you coming? Coming, girly? Come on, girly pup. We gotta do this. Squish, 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 squish. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna leave Eileen all alone. Come on. Girly pop, let's go. Come on. We gotta hustle. Oh, oh, don't like that camera angle. I gotta be ready for anything. Ooh, a holy candle. Yippee! Come here, you! Get out of here. Yeah, come here. Freaking loser. Come here. Oh no, there's another thing. Wait. Oh my god, I'm in Subway World. Oh my god, we're in Subway World. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna go.
Joseph is still alive.
Oh. Yeah, I wonder too, dude. Alright, I gotta go to the ladies' room. I gotta go through the door. Can I just hold her hand? I feel so bad about this. Trust me on this, okay? Ew. Ew! Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't want Eileen to get hurt. Alright, let's go. I did read a little bit of the black text on the guide. My health isn't regenerating. Cool. What the fuck? Oh. Got mail. Found 2 mysterious and powerful artifacts that seem... The holy candle... Okay. Not only they're effective against ghost victims, they seem to prevent them from invading my room. Just light the candle near where they're coming in, and the holy power is activated. It's worn. Starting to gain some hope. I think I already have the... What do you mean I can't hold anymore? Fine, I'll go drop something off. What's the thing that's making that noise? Oh! What the fuck? Can I not save? Please let me save. Subway World 2! Second time. So there's something over... Oh. And that's what's making me... Okay. Well, let me just... What do you mean I can't put that here? Let me just put it right here then. Right? Is that... Oh. Maybe I've been holding on to something that's somehow awakening it? Can you pick that up, please? Can you pick that up? Oh! Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it. I did it. Did it get consumed? It did. Damn it. Maybe I shouldn't have done that then. Whatever. Moving on, moving on. To fill the envelope, there's a letter and a toy key inside. Mommy, I give you this, so please wake up soon. It's inside my toy train. Oh. Okay. The freaking clock was haunted. Going back in time, bro. Okay. Hi, girly. Here, I'm gonna give you this. There you go. Now you got something to defend yourself with. It's great, isn't it? Alright. Men's room has a nutrition drink. Should probably take something. Yeah, my health's a little bit low. Okay, I'm gonna take this. There we go. And then I'm gonna go in here. And I'm gonna take this nutrition drink. Which should be in here somewhere. There we go. Take it, you jerk. I'm so creeped out. Ew, I fucking hate the men's restroom. Never been in one, but I've heard stories. What the fuck? What the hell? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a crime scene. Oh. Henry? Henry, don't go near it, honey. Sweetie. Oh, she looks so cool. Henry! Oh my god, back up, dude! You should know not to trust anything here. She's like the Left 4 Dead witch. Oh, sorry. I'm actually on a date right now. I do not dare press any button because it'll probably skip the cutscene. But let me just see if I could just... Oh, she's cool as fuck, dude. Hey! Hey, girly! You single? No, I'm so sorry. I only have eyes for Walter Sullivan. Maybe. I don't really... This isn't a good thing. So the guide says I need to use a sword to pin it or else he'll come back. So, guess who doesn't have a sword on her? Me! Okay. Let's just avoid this girl. Let's just avoid her. Let's just see if we can. Okay? Alright, let's see if we can avoid her. We need to go right. Alright, we need to go right. Come on, Eileen, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, fuck you. Come here. Come here. No! No, that's not what I wanted to do. What did I just eat? Come here, you fucker. Ugh. No, really, what did I just eat? I don't need that. Ew. Alright, there's a silver bullet up here. That's what it says. I need this thing. Pick it up! Best used with a pistol. Is this a pistol?
This looks like South Ashland Station.
Alright. Glad I have the guide to help me. Thank goodness. Alright. Alright, girly pop, we're gonna need to use the Lynch Street line coin and pass through. Alright, let's go, girly pop. We gotta do this. You're getting what? It's okay, girly pop. We got this. You wanna fuck with me? You're so cool. You're so cool. Okay, is this the Lynch Street exit? God damn it. Oh! Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What do you mean you're pretty sure you got one? You have one in your inventory! This thing! Use it! What do you mean you can't use it here? Ugh. That's what I have! I have it right there! Where am I using it? Pretty sure I've got one. Yeah, you do have one! Sorry, Eileen. King Street. I'm sorry, Cynthia. Not Cynthia. God damn it. Pretty sure I've got one. Yeah, you do. Right here. My God! My God! Come here. Come here. Yeah, get him, Eileen! Yeah! Fuck this guy! Eileen, he's dead. I love you, girl. Ew, what the fuck? Oh, what's this? Oh, this is the riding crop that I was talking about.
Leg hurts.
I'm sorry, I'll walk slower. I'm so sorry, girly pop. No, you're just a girl in a horror game. The worst thing to be in the worst place to be. Oh. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, oh, there she is. Hello. Hi, girl. Hi. Yeah, get her. Oh, Eileen. Eileen, girly pop. Eileen, girly pop, we gotta go, girly pop. Eileen. Eileen, 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 Eileen. Eileen, girly pop. Eileen. Eileen, girly pop. Eileen, girly pop. We gotta go. We gotta go. Eileen.
Please, don't leave me alone.
Come here, girly. My goodness, I'm so sorry. Enter the hole. God, there's gonna be something else that's cursed, isn't there? A few days after Walter killed himself in his cell, several residents witnessed a long-haired man with a coat here. Though through his window, Richard Braintree in 207 saw the man moving something heavy and doing something in room 302. Even Sunderland, the superintendent, saw the man with the red coat with the coat hanging around room 302. Confirmed there were signs of someone having been there. July 17th. I'm literally tired of you. Literally tired of you. I decided not to get the Sword of Obedience because they're limited and I actually really do need them for one thing. Said the guide. Hey, girly. Okay, so, looking a little bit more into the guide, a different one, since the one that my partner made for me wasn't like 100% complete. Looking at it, it looks like I still have a lot more things to do in Subway World for the second time. And I think I've been playing for a while now, for about an hour and a half. Or 2 hours, I think. I did want to get a good portion of the way through. But, yeah. So that's all that we have for now. We're gonna come back to this. We're gonna play it some more, of course. But yeah, I guess that's where the story ends for tonight. Thank you for joining me. Goodness, Eileen's not dead. Yeah, so the spoiler I saw was right. Huh. Yeah. Much to think about. Much to think about. Goodbye!